Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome to today's vlog. It's Sunday, so today's the last day of home show. But we're always gonna do church on Sundays as well, so we're gonna do devotions in the car on the way to home show. But I can't do it while I'm recording, so yeah. But anyway, today's the last day of the home show, so we need to get there before 4 p.m. So yeah. But anyway, my aunt just got here, so let's do this. So you're coming into this wonderful home.
Let's just do it.
Look at that.
You can actually look at the chargers.
Look at that hot tub.
Let's just do it again.
We're at the Center 2 Expo Hall for the Wichita Home Show 2022. So yeah, places we do. Hold on, of course we own a home right now.
Yes, we do.
And it's over 10 years since we bought this house.
Yeah.
So yeah. Remember this view? You came from the women's fair. Look at that. Remember this view? Yeah. Oh, I remember calling them. Look at that. I remember this. Yeah, so oh, look at that. Expo Hall connected to the convention center. This means there's more home stuff coming. Whoa, man, this is so cool. Where the convention center go there? Look at that.
I want the little light right there too.
Look at that. Yeah. Wow. Very so cute. Oh wow, look at that.
I like that pink. I like that
Look at that. There we go.
I love it.
It's
Maybe you want to see that?
It's pink.
Out there, different kinds of
Look at that.
this is the permanent solution. Water's installed. We can use your existing gutter.
Yeah, massage gun here. Look at that. Massage gun. Look at that. This is Look at that.
Oh, we are just looking. We're looking.
So we're taking a snack break. I got some non-salted pretzels. My mom got nachos. So yeah, it's time to eat. Look at that. This is the squid with the custard on it. Look at that.
And it's a whole.
Look at that hot tub. Wow. Look at that. Look at that sauna. Wow. Look at that massage chair. Wow. Well, that's it. Home show 2022 in the books. So
Yep, it's in the book.
yeah, this is the last show.
Yes, it is, and we got time.
So yeah. But anyway, got some stuff, got some t-shirts, some number here. So yeah, I do want to show you guys because it's kind of boring here. So got a t-shirt and also some number cards and stuff.
People's contact information.
Yeah. And also I got a State Farm bag right there. They're in my arms. So yeah. But anyway, walk to the car and get out of here. Oh my God, so I'm at my aunt's house, but I'm switching cars because my aunt is not coming with us to Target.
Oh.
So yeah, my mom just got a new TV, so we're picking it up at Target, and then I think we're gonna go home. And just like that, we're back in my mom's car. My aunt did a great job cleaning this interior, but we still have to get a truck well since we have window storm here.
Yeah.
So yeah, but right now we're going to Target, pick up your new TV. Because even though someone stole it, so we're getting a new one.
Yeah.
So yeah. Something up Richard store. Time to back in my car. We're at Target. We're at the drive up. Space 3. I'm still on the app. And we can get a TV. There's a TV. Oh, this is so cool. TV. There he is. TCL 55-inch TV.
Woohoo!
What do you think?
I love it. I'm excited.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
But I'm still waiting for mine, and I don't want to mess up the connection.
I know. We'll get you one.
So, yeah. Alright guys, I'm back home. So I'm about to do my birthday haul for 2022. Of course, I'm officially 26. So I'm gonna do a birthday haul, which is gonna be on a separate video for the vlog. So yeah, wish me luck on that recording. Hoping I can try my best. Alright guys, I'm back home. So I'm about to do my birthday haul for 2022. Of course, I'm officially 26. So I'm gonna do a birthday haul, which is gonna be on a separate video for the vlog. So yeah, wish me luck on that recording. Hoping I can try my best. Alright guys, so I'm ending my night with playing some Max Payne 2 on my Xbox One. So I'm nearly almost done with the game. So if you haven't watched that video, go check it out. They're on Dreamer Wonders channel. So I'm on part 8, so go check that out. So anyway, what a great day. I've been busy working on my birthday haul and also Bear Bear Kim 17's channel. So go check out Bear Bear Kim 17's channel because I did talk about this thing right here, which is the Red versus Bear and also the Blue Reindeer. So yeah, go check that out because I've been working super hard on its uploads and posting out to you guys. So yeah, I've been busy working really hard and now I finally done. Right now I'm playing a game. So yeah. But I don't know guys, I gotta go ahead and start wrapping up this vlog because I gotta go ahead and start editing the vlog, put music together and send it out to you. So my only job is to edit and send it out. So yeah, I've been working super hard without any breaks. So, yeah, but fun's not over because in the middle of February will be Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys are excited for Valentine's Day. And then also on February 18th, I might go out of town because I do have my heart doctor's appointment in Kansas City. But it is in the hospital, so I will do it at the hospital. So, yeah, I'm not going to be admitted, but don't worry. I'm not going to be admitted because last time I was admitted due to retaining water. I don't have pneumonia, it's just retaining water, so yeah. But right now, I'm officially out of hospital. No retaining waters ever again. So, I'm still here, I'm still alive. So, yeah, my life is going well. And yeah, I have plenty of routines. I've been working on so many videos and all that stuff. So yeah, but anyway, I'm done. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's all adventures right to be. And next watching, please subscribe. Bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the end slate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.